It's day 2 and Food and Hotel Asia 2018 is celebrating 40 years of excellence. Here are just a few of the reasons why you should be celebrating and visiting this highly international trade event.
Very, very important to come to Singapore as one of the biggest fairs and trade shows in Asia and all around the globe. It's fantastic, the layout and everything.
It's innovative. This is probably one of the most innovative shows.
It's an important show for us in Asia, and as you can see, we have many visitors from Southeast Asia and even around the world.
I think definitely FHA is, I would say, the major show in the food service industry in, I would say, in the whole Asia Pacific. It's every year we've been coming here and we're very happy. There's a lot of distributors coming in, a lot of people from the industry.
Don't forget, we are across 2 venues and you have over 4,000 exhibitors to meet. So join us for day 3 where doors open at 9 a.m.